I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I'm Divyanshi, and so for today's video I'm going to do the Q&A 2020 after a long time. Like I did the poll question thing literally ages ago. Also guys, I was kinda inactive on YouTube because of some reasons, as my new hobby is art, so I like doing paintings more, and like I'll be active on YouTube for sure, but I was very demotivated to shoot a video. And yeah, I hate longer intros. Let's get started. So we will start with the very basic questions. The first one is, in which class are you? I am in class 7th. Next one is, are you a topper of your class? Yeah. Actually, yeah, I am. You can say that. But I don't, behave like toppers. I'm kind of, normal. Not that very extra topper. I don't like. From whom you get inspiration to open YouTube? I got inspiration from all the YouTubers I saw. Like, trust me. But Pragati Verma, Pragati Di, she's the best, and she gave me the inspiration to start. Next is, where do you live? I live in India, Bihar. How you crawled 5K? How much hard work it needed? Oh wow, it's a very, very, very interesting question. Okay, so I just don't know how it all happened. Like, trust me, I know it sounds so fake, but yeah, I made a editing video, and I didn't knew it will pop up this much. The first video which went really viral was the Snapchat filter one, which is now on something 30,000 views, or yeah, but it's now copyrighted. So that went viral, so I was like, yeah, I have some confidence that I do these things better. Then I made a prequel, how to edit without prequel. I don't know, there were so many videos before that. Also, I didn't copy it anyone, it was my own idea, but I was like, no, this video will not go viral. Like, why you are doing it? Like, trust me, this idea even came in my mind, it will go viral or something. Like, I was expecting, trust me, I was expecting 10k views on it. Like, yeah, but now 6 lakh views, which is just insane. That video is also copyrighted, so yeah, I don't get paid for it. Like, ads are just useless on it. And about the hard work, I can just say that I used to motivate myself. I used to get a lot of hate back then, but I was like, no, I have to focus on good things. I did have so many amazing supporters like you all, and literally I have so many amazing friends on Instagram. Like, I'm so grateful to all of them, and I'm so grateful to all of my fan pages as well. I'm so happy. So yeah, it does need a lot of hard work and motivation. To be a Binod, please leave me alone here. What is this Binod thing? Oh god. Like, I know what is Binod because I do watch Slay Point. If you want to know, then you can check out the video. The link will be in the description. Lol. What made you think that I want to make YouTube channel? I don't know. Like, there is no particular answer to this question. I was bored, so I created one, or you can say I was confident about talking to the camera. I love talking to camera. So I think that, yeah, it's basically my boredom and my hobby. So, favorite artwork account on Instagram. I have a lot of favorite art accounts, but I'm gonna put Art Daddies on the first because they helped me a lot, when I was very new to art. I'm still new, but now I'm kind of trained. So they taught me so many things, and they are so sweet. I love them so much. Who's your favorite actor and actress of Bollywood? I'm very sorry, but I don't like anyone in Bollywood. Like, no, nothing, no one. Yeah, I just hate it. No offense. Actually, full offense. Next is your favorite emoji. I have a lot of favorite emojis. They will be on the screen. and my favorite color is blue. And my favorite celebrity, you can say Prakriti Verma. Like, she isn't a celebrity, but I love her, so yeah. Okay, do you like dancing? I love dancing, but I kinda suck at it, so sorry. Like, I am good at the normal traditional dance, you know, on Ghar More Pardesi. I can dance very well. I can dance very well on Hindi songs, but you know, when it comes to Renegade and Savage, ouch. And then it comes to Savage, yeah, Classy, Bushy, Ratchet, yeah, then I cannot do it. Sorry, I just suck at it. Okay, next is, don't you earn from YouTube? Your 4,000 watch time is completed or not? I do earn from YouTube. Yeah, my videos are monetized, and yeah, I do earn. And yeah, I got the 4,000 watch time. That's why I earn, obviously. Favorite subject, I love science. Science for life. Next is your last percentage and rank. I don't remember. It will be something 95 or 98. I don't remember. Something like that. I got 98 in my periodic test. Something like that. Yeah. The first assignment. Something like that. I got 98 in my half year exam. So I don't remember about the last one. Oh, it didn't happen only. I'm so silly. It didn't happen only. Shit. Like, yeah, because of all the corona, my exams were on 16th of March, but our school got locked and shut down on 14th only, because you know, corona. What can you give as a gift to your subscribers? I would love to give whatever they will ask for, like, except something very personal or like that, but yeah, I'll give them whatever they'll ask for. Like, if they will ask, they want my ring light, I will give it to them, like, you know, new one, not my old one. If they will ask for some anything, I will give them, like, yeah, but preferably I will give stationaries, because I love it, so yeah. Next is, are you going to continue YouTube till your end of your life, or till when will you? I don't really know. I don't know the answer of it, because I don't know what will happen next. So yeah, for me it will be a yes, because you know what, I love YouTube. So. Next is, do you like Punjabi songs? Like, yeah, I do, not that much, but because okay, I like them. Like, okay, yeah, I don't like them. I kinda like them. How do you deal with the school? This question is so interesting. Oh my god, I'm so excited to read it. How do you deal with the school seniors? Like, did they know about your channel? So the answer for this will be, yeah, my every senior, my every person in my school know that I have a YouTube channel, so that becomes very awkward sometimes, but my seniors are very happy. They're very proud that I have a YouTube channel. Yeah, like, literally, I remember the annual function happened, and I was only sitting and chilling with my seniors, not my classmates, because you know, seniors are more better, I guess. Like, in my school it happens. So my seniors are very chill, but you know, I'm talking about girls, but the boys are like, oh, Divyanshi, you have a YouTube channel, right? And I'm always like, yeah, I do have. So any problem? I don't care. Next is, when you were born. I was born on 27 December 2007. Peace. What's your top YouTube tips for beginners? Do you earn from YouTube? So the tips will be, concentrate on your work and don't, you know, beg for subscribers, sub for sub, please. I don't think so it will help you to grow. Yeah. And yeah, I do earn from YouTube. Which was your first video, on which date, and add some clips. I'm gonna tell you that I filmed a lot of videos, but I never posted them. They will be on my Google Photos. I will check, and if they will be there, then you can see the clips.
पिज्जा खा रहे हो ये I can't believe हम लोग सोच के वहाँ पे एकदम पानी पानी है और हम लोग का सामने बीच पे जाना है सब लोग उधर फोटोग्राफी कर रहे हैं.
And the first video which got published on YouTube was reviewing my favorite eyeliner, and wow, it got 600 some views. Wow. Favorite Snapchat filter? You can check out my video. All the 40 filters are my favorite. The first YouTube video you ever watched. Remember the first video which I ever watched was from Sarah Beauty Corner. She was the first girl who I watched on YouTube. Like, yeah, I was going to Mumbai and my father gave me mobile and I opened YouTube and I searched for some DIY. I heard it somewhere. So I searched it and then I saw her video and I was so happy to see it because it was very new to me and I was like, wow, it's so interesting. Although I made all the DIY she did with my sister when I went to Mumbai, yeah, we were like crazy fan of her. Like, I love her now also. She's not very active on YouTube now, but yeah. How did you feel when you hit first 100 subs? It was a dream. I was more happier than 1K because 100 is a very big goal on YouTube. It takes a lot of efforts, trust me. And when I hit 1000, then that day I was dead.